Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add layers on Sketchbook. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how to add layers on Sketchbook. Firstly, go ahead and open up your Sketchbook application. The home page of the Sketchbook application will appear on the screen. Create the sketch on the blank spaces you like. And now, to add layers, tap on the layer option at the top right side of the page. Click on the plus icon to add more layers. Now, you can draw above the previous drawings, and you can do the same by adding layers and repeating the same process. This is how you can add layers on Sketchbook quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.